Hey YouTube, it's Erin, the handbag housewife, and I have another unboxing to do. And I promise I'm almost to the end of these, at least the frequency that I've been going at. But first, I wanted to show you my outfit of the day, and I wanted to show you my bag of the day, which I've currently got on. I wanted to show you how I kind of paired it all together with my jewelry and my clothes. So I'm wearing a cream sweater. I have this beautiful ring on. It's an opal. See if I can get it to focus. It's an opal with diamonds. This ring was made for me by a company called Newton's Jewelers, and I have started putting their information in the description box. I've worked with them several times. They make beautiful custom pieces, and they also have great deals on jewelry from some really nice companies that make super nice quality. And so if you don't want to go and spend a ton of money on like a super designer piece like Cartier or Van Cleef and Arpels, check out Newton's. And here's my wedding ring I'm wearing today. I actually have 4 different rings I wear as my wedding ring. When I started out, I would just wear the original, the OG, but I've started wearing other ones because I like to switch things up, and I like to switch up the metal colors I wear. Both these rings have gold, yellow gold, and white gold. This one is by Stoller, and I will link Stoller's website below, but you've got to buy it through an authorized retailer. And so if something like this is something you're interested in, it's beautiful. The center stone is moissanite, which you can't tell. The brand of moissanite's Charles & Colvard, which I would highly recommend. And anyway, you can basically get a beautiful look and be able to switch things out for not a whole ton of money. And Newton's has been kind enough to give me a discount code for 15% off. And so I encourage you to contact them or check out their website. And just for full transparency, if you do use my code, they will give me a small percentage of the sale. But I'm only doing that because I really love the company. I would not recommend anything I didn't love. I had this piece for years. So the rest of my jewelry is something you can't get. This is a necklace from my grandma. It was her wedding band. And then, of course, I showed you this one yesterday. I think you can still get this. This is by Rigo Designs. This was also a long gold chain from my grandma when she passed away. And then I've got some earrings, and I don't know the brand on them, but they were also from Newton's. So check out Newton's, and let me show you the rest of my getup. Cream colored sweater. I've got a green colored racerback tank underneath it because the sweater is kind of short. I've got can jeans, and then I paired it with this super cute Longchamp extra small and the boucle fabric. It's supposed to be kind of like Sherilyn. I've got a Samorga chain with it, which I can link. And I've also got the croc embossed trim on this bag in a green color, which matches my shirt. So that is my bag and outfit of the day. And so without further ado, I want to open my new bag. I'm super excited about this one. Okay, this one also came from VESTIAIRE Collective. I have another bag coming from VESTIAIRE Collective, and then I think I'm going to be done for a while because I will have 20 Longchamp extra smalls, and I'm big for wanting an even number. Like I have 12 Cassies, and so 20 is a good number for me. If I were to get more, I'd want to have 24, and I don't need 24 of the same style bag. So I'm going to open this giant box. It seems a little large compared to some of the other ones, especially with international shipping. This bag came from Germany, and here is why it is so large. It came in the Longchamp box. This is the first Longchamp box that I have received. And let's see if it's even the original box. It's got some information on the end, but it is in German. So I have no idea if it's the original box or if they even have original boxes. But it came nicely packaged, as all my VESTIAIRE Collective pieces have. This went through their authentication. Toss that over there. This went through their authentication, and it's the first time I've had a problem. Okay, so they contacted me and they said, the measurements are wrong, which I didn't care because I knew what the measurements should be. and I could tell that it was the size bag I was looking for, so that was fine. But then they also said it was missing the little strap. Let me insert a picture of it right here to show you the strap. All right, so here's the bag. It's snagged on the dust bag. They actually put, oh, there we go. So here's the bag. This is a very rare combination. They told me in the description box that it had scratches on the hardware, but the hardware looks immaculate. It looks immaculate. So once again, I'm super impressed with VESTIAIRE Collective and with the sellers I've worked with so far. Okay, so the only issues I'm seeing is there's some wrinkling right here, but that is very common to have wrinkling right there. And on some of my first bags it really bothered me, but it doesn't bother me anymore. Let me give it a smell. Okay, it doesn't have a smell, which is excellent because this is the only one I've gotten that said it was not brand new. It was sold by a seller who has their own website as well, and I can link that website down below, but it would have been, it smells brand new. It would have been hard for me to get it from them directly because they're in Germany and I can't understand the language, and there would have been all sorts of issues. So VESTIAIRE Collective gives you the ability to buy from items all around the world and not worry about that language barrier. They translate for you, which is super nice. So this bag really, other than missing the strap, which makes me a little sad, it's fantastic. I mean, look at it. It's black and it's got this black and white stripe. Let me grab my other snakeskin. I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the other snakeskin. So the strap that this bag was supposed to come with looks like this, except for all black. So that's what I'm missing. But most of the time I wear these bags with the silver strap crossbody. I mean, I've started wearing them on the crook of the arm a little bit, like I showed you with my platinum one yesterday, but most of the time I wear them crossbody. So I'm gonna grab one of my silver chains and show you how I would wear this. Okay, so this beautiful silver chain is from Amazon. It's 47 inches, and this is how I would wear this bag. Not with this outfit, but you get the point. It's gorgeous. I don't need to have that black chain with the studs. If I ever came across one, or if any of you ever come across one, let me know, because just for the sake of completeness, I'd like to have it. But I got this bag for $209, and that was with all the fees, all the shipping, all the authentication fees, and the tax, which can really add up when you're buying from VESTIAIRE Collective. So even though it's missing that little strap, I'm still super happy with the purchase, and I think it's new. I mean, they said it was pre-owned, probably because it didn't have tags attached. It has this tag attached, but I think this is probably just from their store. Anyhow, it is just absolutely gorgeous. I'm not really seeing any issues. I guess there's a couple tiny little marks on the leather flap, but I mean, they're just like negligible. They are negligible, like right there, and then right there. Those are things that'll happen with normal use. So maybe it did get used once, but that also might just be the characteristics of the smooth leather. So let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and the outfit of the day and the jewelry. I'm also going to insert a picture of some earrings that I designed myself in collaboration with Morgan Jonathan Jewelry. They are absolutely gorgeous. I find that when I try to show you my earrings when they're on, they don't really show up very well, so I'm going to insert a picture of them right here. If you love these earrings, you can get them at a discount. He was kind enough to offer them at a discount, as well as some of the paperclip bracelets, like the one I showed you yesterday in rose gold. And so again, if you do decide to use my code to buy either one of those items, they're both a fantastic deal, by the way, or I wouldn't even be talking about them. And it's a fantastic company, or I wouldn't be talking about it. But if you did decide to use my code, I would get a small percentage of the sale. But I'm not gonna just sell anything and everything. These are pieces I've had for years, and I just decided that since someone was asking me the other day about what I was wearing, that I would share with you what I was wearing. And if I could, I would try to help you get it. So there's that. I hope you have a fantastic day. Give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Handbag Housewife. Take care. Bye.